Hi everybody, welcome back to Dawn Digs In. It's been a long week. I feel like I haven't talked to you in a little while. Hope your workouts are going great. I know most of you will be finished your first 30 days and will have started on 31 to 40. Hope it's going great for you, and I hope you're finding some of those results that I said that you should be seeing. If you aren't yet, it could just take a little bit longer. Maybe you need to dig in a little deeper. Maybe you're not being as consistent as you'd like to be. These are really important factors. Consistency, I'm still going to hit you with, is number one. And I want to talk about, what is your mental health when you're coming to the mat? I've been asked this question a couple times, and I thought it was a good time to maybe talk about where your head is at when you go to do your workout. You know, when I get up in the morning and I high-five myself and tell myself I'm going to have a great day, get on my workout clothes, and I go downstairs, I go down with the intention that I am going to have an amazing workout. I think about, maybe it's a new workout like today. Today was my first day doing the series that I'm on now, and I did not pre-watch. I have pre-watched since day one. I have pre-watched like several times because I feel it takes me a while to kind of get the hang of it. But I did not pre-watch, so oh my gosh. So I was totally out there in the wind, flapping around, legs flying, going, this is wrong. This is not how I come to the mat. I always come to the mat with the intention that I know what I'm doing, I'm prepared for how many reps I have to do and what I have to do, and I'm totally in the game. You know, mind, body, soul, I'm totally in the game. I'm going to get through my half an hour of mat work or my half an hour of dance cardio, which I don't even think about now. And I'm going to tell you a story about that. So stick to the end because it's really good. So how do you come to the mat? You know, I come with a clear mind. Don't come with all your baggage of what you have to do for the day or what problems are going on or what kids are doing. Everybody has issues. You know, I'm dealing with issues. I'm moving my mother right now, and it's a lot. It's city to city, so it's been a really big move, and there's a lot going on. And, you know, I'm still taking the time every day because this is my time. This is when I deal with what Dawn needs. These are my needs. I need to get up. I need to have that workout. I need to have my shower. I need to prepare myself mentally for the day. So I also prepare myself mentally to come to that mat. My mind is clear. I'm focused. I know what I'm doing. I have an intention of completing this workout. I'm not going to do a couple reps and go, I'm not in the mood. No, I come there, I'm getting it done, I'm staying till it's done, and then I'm moving on. So really, really important. If you want to see results, you need to be getting through this whole workout. Now, as I've said before, if you can't do all the reps off the bat, that's okay. You know, do what you can. Let yourself do, I can do 20 reps today, but make them be good reps, okay? Go back to the video where I talked about having a mirror. Big mistake I made last week, and I'm really thankful to our Dawn Digs In community who pointed it out to me. On our second exercise of this series, my butt was up in the air. Well, I made a real point of saying to you, get your butt down. So I did not have my mirror placed so I could see it. I had it placed where you could see it. So this week, when I put up the next one, the mirror will be where I can see it so that I can check my form and make sure that I am doing it correctly. Because as I've said, there is nothing worse than doing all the repetitions and then seeing yourself in the mirror and going, oh, that's not right. You got to make sure you got it right. So, and you'll know, you'll feel it. You'll be like, oh, okay, there's a spot. Or you'll be saying to yourself, I'm not feeling that in my butt. And then you lift that leg just a little bit more and you go, there it is. So sometimes all of our bodies are different. Sometimes we need to position that leg a little bit differently or rotate just a hair. You know, it's usually not much. It's just that little thing that will make you go, oh, I needed to lift that leg higher. I needed to be straighter. I needed to do something that made me go, yep, that's it. I'm working that part. So be aware of doing those things. So my little story that happened to me this week, it was so amazing. I couldn't believe it. So I got up, did my usual thing, had my intention, going down, dance cardio, going to get this done. And I was in a really good mood because I had taken a day off, and I don't usually take days off. So I had taken the day off before, and I was approaching, and I was tired because I'd been doing a lot. So I approached it as, okay, this is going to be a really good dance cardio because I didn't do it yesterday. So I'm ready for what comes today. So I did my dance cardio, and everything just fell into place. Like seriously. I knew every move. I was moving along with it. I was in time. I was doing things I hadn't been able to do before because I just wasn't coordinated enough to get it. I got to the end of the workout and I was just like, I was clapping. I was high-fiving Tracy. I was like, yes! I was like, I just performed. If you look in the playlist, you will see Vitality Week, and Tracy talks a whole lot there about performance. Dance cardio is a performance. Your whole workout needs to be a performance. It's like that. It's something that you would be proud to do. Now, I'm telling you, I wouldn't be selling tickets. Nobody would pay for it. But to me, after doing dance cardio for so long it seems, and struggling every day, but doing it anyway. I do it anyway. Doesn't matter how good it is, how bad it is. I make up moves, I freestyle, I do whatever I got to do, but I followed it all the way through and I got it, and it was a ta-da moment, and I was so proud of myself that I completed a performance. I even had a bow. So it happens, and it might not happen again, but it happened this week for me, and I was so proud to have accomplished that feat that I just felt amazing for the rest of the day that I had done that. And I really wanted to share that with you, that it can happen. If dance cardio is easy for you, then never mind. But if you're like me and you struggle and you don't get it right and you're thinking, oh my God, I'm not doing this right, so how am I going to get the results? I have gotten results from dance cardio. I have gotten huge, huge results from dance cardio. So stick with it. You can do it. You will have a performance one day, and you will know when you had it, because you just know. You finished it and you're like, oh my God, that was almost perfect. Not Tracy perfect, but it was Dawn perfect. So I hope you're having a great week, enjoying your workouts. I'm loving your comments. Please keep them coming. We will be doing days, we're doing 41 to 50, I believe we're on this week. So I will be getting that up for you soon. And be aware from last week, 31 to 40, be aware of that second exercise. That butt needs to come down a little bit. I apologize for that, and I will make sure that does not happen again. So I'm glad you're enjoying following along with us. And again, I enjoy your comments and questions, and keep them coming, and I'm more than happy to answer them or ask somebody else out in the TAM family to jump in and maybe give some advice or help out. And please go on Instagram, follow some of the people that are doing TAM. They may not be where you are, but you can certainly see their movements and how they push through and get that energy flowing, and it will really help you with your workouts. So until next time, have a great workout, and I will see you soon. High five.